Hello and welcome. To prevent printing a PDF file, right-click on it, choose Open With, and then select Preview. Once your PDF file is open in Preview, click File on the menu bar and choose Edit Permissions. On the sheet that opens, uncheck Printing, and then under Owner Password, enter and re-enter your password. Click Apply. Now if you try printing the PDF file, it prompts you for the password before you can print it. Please like if this video helped you, subscribe for more tutorials, comment to ask questions or to give feedback. Thank you.